Looking to add a personal touch to your Samsung phone's lock screen while also enhancing its functionality? I'm here to guide you through activating the always-on display feature and customizing your lock screen to your liking. Let's dive in. First, go to your settings. Next, scroll down a little. Then, tap on lock screen. Here, find the always-on display option. Now, go ahead and tap on it. Then be sure to toggle it on. From here, choose how you want the display to show. Options include tap to show, show always, or setting up a schedule. Then to change your lock screen clock style, tap on clock style. Here, modify the clock style as desired and even set an image clock if you go back, you can opt to display music information on your lock screen. After that, adjust your screen orientation from portrait to landscape. Next, toggle auto brightness on or off as you prefer. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay cool.